Tip number 44 from the book 501 Contractor Tips. Now this is material waste. The thinking behind this is simple. Less waste means more profits. And I can't really stress this enough. If you're a contractor and you don't get a grasp on material waste and the fact that these prices aren't coming down, material waste disposal prices just continue to rise and they're getting worse and worse. And I would imagine they're going to increase here in this next construction boom, which is going to be starting, I would guess, around 2013. And it's probably going to last for at least 5 or 6 years. That's just my guess on the housing shortage we're facing right now. By ordering specific building material lengths and using them efficiently, this will lower your material cost and waste disposal fees. Now, the thinking behind this is that I did most of the work I did was as a framing contractor, and there were specific lengths that worked better than others. So, for example, let's say that I needed to build a 3-foot tall fence, and I would have needed 36-inch studs. So the wall would be a little taller, let's say, than 36 inches. But I would need 36-inch 2x4s, let's just say, for example. Then it wouldn't do me much good to order a 8-footer or a 10-footer. I would need to find something that 3 foot divides into, which it would divide into 12 feet. So 12 foot would work out pretty good. So I would order 12-foot 2x4s and have no waste or a very little waste. Now if I ordered a 10-footer, this would provide me with 9 feet. 3 feet, another 3 feet is 6 feet, another 3 feet is 9 feet. That would give me 9 feet with 1 foot of waste. Now, if I had to cut a whole bunch of these things and didn't have anything I could use that 12-inch 2x4 for, guess what? It would have to go to the disposal place, the waste disposal place, and I would have to pay a what? A fee to dump this stuff. And this isn't a good thing. So if you can, use specific lengths of building materials to reduce your waste and increase your profits. This will be a good thing. So it's just something to think about. There are all sorts of things you can use this particular tip for. Electricians can use it for electrical wire, conduit. Plumbers can use it for pipes. Even plumbers, you can take it as far as designing a specific layout for your water supply lines and your waste lines with less. You might be able to use a couple of, let's just say you use one less 90-degree elbow or a 45-degree. If you can reduce this, then on your layout and design, then you could also save money that way. And again, this might be kind of hard to digest. You know, when it does come, it's not like it's not like you need to over-design something. I'm not about to suggest that you spend 12 hours designing a plumbing system or an electrical system to save 50 cents. That isn't it at all. So if you were going to, let's just say, work on you were designing the plumbing systems, water supply and drainage systems for a tract home, a home that you might build 100 times or 1,000 times. You might build 1,000 of these homes and you're the plumbing contractor, then this would, again, you know, any part you can reduce, any pipes you can reduce, waste you can reduce on one home would provide you with certain benefits. But if that was going to apply to 10 homes, 100 homes, or even 1,000 homes, now you can see where these numbers are going to grow exponentially. So I have a hard time saying that word sometimes. Anyway, so what? Hey, maybe I got to work on that. It's not going to be in the book, but how to pronounce the word exponentially. exponentially, whatever. Okay, sorry about that.